In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix azuri.core.dll missing in Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a Chrome browser or open any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable. Hit enter. Click on the first option and then locate your or the links. So know the system type of your Windows. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. So you can find that in the system type. Click the download link corresponding to that. Click on the folder icon and then double click on it. If you have already or if you haven't installed it yet in your Windows, just simply click the install button by clicking on I agree to the license terms and conditions. But if you have already installed it, click on repair. Then close this. And then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. The next thing that you can do is to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the start button and then or right click at the start button, select settings, go to apps, installed apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error, click on the three dots and select uninstall and simply reinstall it into your Windows. And you can also update your Windows. So click on the start button and then go to or right click at the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update on the left pane, click the button to check for updates. Next thing is to perform the SFC scan. Go to the Windows search bar, type CMD, right click, simply right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator option and simply type SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Okay, so simply use the run as administrator option. So in my case, I am not running it as an administrator since I cannot access into it. But in your case, simply run it as administrator and type the command SFC scan now. And wait for the process to be done. And then after the SFC scan is done, to restart your Windows. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.